Hello, welcome back to this tutorial. Today we are going to make the Willa dress. You will need your fabrics, bias tape, elastic, sewing supplies, and the patterns for the style that you can download from our website. So let's start. Place the front bodice pieces together, right sides facing each other, and stitch up until the notch marking. Flatten the seam and fold down the seam allowance as shown. Stitch all the way down on both sides. Let's create the box pleats on the sleeves. Fold the notches towards the center. Remember that this is the wrong side of the fabric. Now run a stay stitch to hold it in place. Cut away the excess protruding fabric. Pin the front sleeve curve to the front bodice piece with the right sides of the fabric facing each other. Stitch them together. Overlock the seams. Let's attach the back bodice to the back side of the sleeves, again with the right sides of the fabric facing each other. Overlock the seams. Let's move on to the neckline. Fold the bias tape as shown. Place it on the right side of the bodice and attach it all the way around. Fold the tape again as you finish the seam. Fold the bias tape inwards, iron it and stitch it down. Now onto the skirt. I'm going to take these two pieces of the first layer and run a loose stitch to create gathers. I have increased the stitch length and I have left some extended threads on both ends. Holding onto the strand of thread, I'm going to gather the fabric towards the center. Adjust the gathers. Pin the skirt to the bodice, the right sides facing each other, and attach them. Repeat the same for the back side. Overlock these two seams. Now let's attach the second tiered layer in the same way. Give a loose stitch. Gather up the pieces. Attach the gathered piece to the first layer. Overlock the seam allowance. Repeat the same for the back side as well. Let's attach the third layer in the same way. Take the back tie pieces, fold the seam allowance on this one side and along its length. Fold again and iron. Stitch them down as shown. Place them over the waist seam on either sides of the back bodice and hold them down with a stitch. Now let's sew the side seams together, right sides facing each other. Overlock the side seams. Double fold the sleeve openings. And stitch all around. Leave a small open gap as you finish the seam. Pass the elastic through this opening. Stitch the ends of the elastic together and close the opening. Repeat the same for the other sleeve. Sleeves are ready. Now let's double fold and finish the hemline. Our dress is ready. Thank you once again for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I shall catch up with you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye.